What is phycology? Phycology is study of options: algae, fungi, bryophytes, pteridophytes. You have 5 seconds. Please answer. Now we will see the correct answer. Algae is the correct answer. Means phycology is study of algae. Rest 3, fungi, bryophytes and pteridophytes are wrong answers. Explanation: Phycology is study of algae, mycology is study of fungi, bryology is study of bryophytes, pteridology is study of pteridophytes. Light energy related very important question is here. Let's see. Maximum energy is found in green light, yellow light, red light, blue light. You have 5 seconds. Please answer. Let's see the correct answer. Green light wrong, yellow light wrong, red light wrong, blue light is the correct answer. Let's see the explanation of this. Because blue light has more frequency and we have formula E is equal to HF. E is energy, F is frequency and H is Planck constant. Because blue light has more frequency, so it will have more energy. Because more frequency, that's why it has more energy. Red light has long wavelength, means less frequency. If less frequency, least energy. Violet light has short wavelength, means more frequency. More frequency means highest energy. As we know, when wavelength decreases, frequency increases. So with this formula, we can correlate. Related to nutrition of wheat, the question is protein percentage in wheat is. Options are 45%, 25%, 12%, 30%. So you have 5 seconds. Please answer. First answer is wrong. Second answer is also wrong. Third answer is correct. So 12% is the correct answer. 30% is also wrong. So now we will see the explanation of this question. Wheat, which is nothing but Triticum aestivum. The botanical name of wheat is Triticum aestivum. Wheat is an important source of carbohydrates, but globally it is the leading source of vegetable protein, and wheat has about 12 to 13% protein. See, in vegetable meal we get the protein mainly from pulses, but because we eat more bread, which is in most of the country the bread is made of wheat product, so wheat has 12% protein, and in vegetable meal it leads to the leading source of protein. But one thing we should know, the wheat protein content, which is 12 to 13%, is relatively low quality protein because it supplies less essential amino acid. The protein in wheat, it is not in good quality compared to the protein present in the pulses or egg protein, meat protein or milk protein. Milk protein, meat protein, egg protein, these are rich in essential amino acid, while wheat protein is poor. So quality is less, we should remember.